Doing a quick unboxing for an order I placed with GearBest that arrived. Pretty quick actually, and so the other thing I ordered was this EHpro Bachelor Nano, and it's got the security code and authenticity check included. So just undo the packaging, take a quick look. Inside here, so you got the flat there and some instruction, little manual, guide. What else do you have? You have the Atomizer itself, extra Pyrex glass. Looks like they include a coil and some wicked already. Pretty neat. And some extra O-rings and grub screws with the Allen key there. So there you go. That's an order from GearBest. Thanks for watching.